I got laptop Dell Inspiron 15 and the model is 5568, and as you can see guys, the issue on the port, on the charging port, so it's broken. I will try to in this video to change this port. I hope you enjoy. If you have any question, please. I have 10 screws, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I already opened the screws. I don't need to make a long video. So here is the charging port, so easy to change. Let's change it. And I buy a brand new port from Amazon. I will leave a link for this product. Still watching my video, don't forget to give me a like if you like my content. So I will try here to test it, and as you can see they have a light, that means it's charging, so the port is fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.